Hello, what's going on and what does it mean for you? What is going on is that we need to find out exactly what's going to happen in 2023. Well, here's my take on it. First of all, the stock market is assuming that if there is a recession, the Fed is going to pivot. Uh, are they going to pivot? That's a big question. Right? I mean, at the end of the day, what the Fed wants to do is control inflation. Is it controlling inflation? Not so much. But is it actually a good job in managing the process? Well, right now, if you look at the data, if you look at the backward looking data, yeah, rates are going down, inflation is going down, but it's not so good at the end of the day. So, will we have a recession? Yes. Is that going to be enough for us to actually, for the Fed to actually reduce the rates? It might not be because they have a reputational issue here as well. Remember that the Fed, Powell, wants to be Paul Volcker. So he wants to fight inflation. Unfortunately, to fight inflation, you're going to have to slow the economy down. And to slow the economy down, people are going to have to lose their jobs. It's a tug of war going on. At the end of the day, I believe that the market is going to do well in 2023 because rates are already as high as it could get, maybe a little bit higher. So valuation have been brought down where they were supposed to be. Yes, you might have a recession, which will impact rate, which will impact revenues and will impact the numbers, earnings per share. But it may not be such a very bad recession. So rates are already down, maybe a little bit further down to go in terms of earnings per share. But apart from that, I believe that the market has already priced this all in, and then stocks should be going up as earnings start to improve. Now, obviously, there's always a possibility that the Fed says, you know what, another 50 basis point, another 50 basis point. But I think they're done. I think that's enough. Hopefully, some of the numbers start to come through. That's the only issue that you're going to have going forward is that the Fed decide to keep on tightening. And will they do it? Only if inflation gets out of control. I mean, it's not under control right now, but it is there are signs enough for him to slow down. Plus, don't forget these things have a lead way. It takes time to get through the process. So at the end of the day, 2023, you should see better stock prices. The Fed is going to pivot at some point, either because the situation is getting better in terms of inflation, or because they're being pressured to do so.